Lesson 9.2 is solving linear proportions. What happens in a proportion? It's really just a fraction equal to a fraction, and they have some kind of common ratio. Some of them you can look and just tell, some of them you can't. The fastest way to do it is the cross products equal each other. So cross meaning diagonal, product meaning multiply. So 3 times 10 should equal 5 times x. 3 times 10 is 30 equals 5x. All you have to do is divide by 5. 30 divided by 5 means x is 6. And 6/10 is the same thing as 3/5. They're the same decimal. They're also saying, okay, 6 divided by 2 made 3, 10 divided by 2 made 5. They should have some kind of same multiplication or division. And what really happens is I multiply the two numbers that I know that are diagonal, and then I divide by the other number, and that leaves me with x. So I'm going to do that on number 2. There is a negative here. I would pick one number to have the negative with, either the 3 or the 5. We don't want to make both numbers negative because then that would be a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So I just kind of floated it up and I'll put with the 3. So I've got 5 times 15 is 75 equals negative 3x, and that's why I'm just dividing by the other number, negative 3. And I get negative 25. And then number 3 requires a little more algebra. So we're going to have 3 times x minus 1. Oop. I have to put parentheses around the x minus 1 because the 3 gets multiplied to the whole quantity or amount, equals 2 times 4x plus 1. Distribute, so I get 3x minus 3 equals 8x plus 2 times 1 is 2. I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides. 8 minus 3 is 5x plus 2, subtract 2. That's negative 5 equals 5x, divide by 5. So x equals negative 1. And what happens if I plug that in? 4 times negative 1 is negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. That's a true statement because that's just a negative divided by a negative would turn into a positive 3/2, and they do equal each other.